Hello everyone, today I am explaining properties of cardiac muscle fiber. First, excitability. Excitability is defined as ability of a living tissue to giving response to a stimulus. It all tissue initially responds to a stimulation is electrical activity in the of action potential. It is followed by mechanical activity in the form of contraction, secretion, etc. Second, rhythmicity. Rhythmicity is ability of a tissue to produce its own impulse regularly. It is also called autorhythmicity or self excitation. Properties of rhythmicity is present in all the tissue of heart. Heart has a specialized excitatory structure from which discharge of impulse. The specialized structure is called pacemaker. From here, impulse spread to other part thought the specialized conductive system. Pacemaker is structure of heart from which the impulse from for heartbeat are produced. It is formed by the pacemaker is cell called P cells. Pacemaker is sinoatrial node, SA node, situated in superior part of lateral wall of right atrium, just below the opening of superior vena cava. Fiber of this node do not have contractile element. This fiber are continues with fiber of arterial muscle so that the impulse for the SA node speed repeatedly through artery. Other part of heart such as a atrioventricular AV node, artery and ventricle also can produce the impulse and function as a pacemaker. Still, SA node is called the pacemaker because the rate of production of impulse rhythmicity is more in SA node than in other part. It is about 70 to 80 minutes. Conductivity. Human heart has a specific specialized system thought which impulse from a SA node are transmitted to all other part of heart. Conductive system is human heart. Conductive system is human heart is formed by modified cardiac muscle fiber. These fiber are the specialized cell which conduct impulse repeatedly from SA node to ventricles. Component component of conductive system in human body. AV node, blunder of his right and left blunder branch, and Purkinje fiber. This is a small structure of AV node, AV bundle, intranodal pathway, right bundle branch, Purkinje fiber, sinonode, left bundle branch, etc. 4. Contractivity. Contractivity is ability of the tissue to shorten in length. Contraction after receiving a stimulant. All or non-law. According to all or non-law, when a stimulant is applied, whatever may be the strain, the whole cardiac muscle give maximum response, or it's does not give any response at all below the threshold level. Its strength of stimulant is not adequate. Muscle does not give response. Staircase phenomenon. When the ventricles of a heart of front is stimulated at a short interval of 2 seconds without changing the strength, force of contraction increases gradually for first 5 contraction, and then it's remain some gradual increase in force of contraction. It's called staircase phenomenon. This is a small structure of all or non-law staircase phenomenon. This is the time duration they give in on this diagram. Summation of subliminal stimuli. When a stimulus with a subliminal strength is applied, curiosity heart not show any response. Then a fab stimulate with some liminal strength are applied in succession, heart show response by contraction due to the summation of stimuli. Fifth point, refractory period. The refractory period is period at which muscle does not show any response to a stimulant. It is because already one action potential is in the progress in the muscle during this period. Refractory period is Two type: absolute period, refractory period, relative refractory period. First, absolute refractory period. Absolute refractory period is period during which is the muscle does not show any response at all, whatever may be in the strength of stimulate. Second, relative refractory period. Relative refractory period is period during which is the muscle dose shows some response if the strength of stimulate in increase to maximum. The refractory period, this is a small structure memorying potential. Okay. Refractory period of skeletal muscle. Absolute refractory period fell during first half of length period 0.005 second. Relative refractory period extend during second half of length period 0.005 second. Then total it is 0.01 second. Refractory period in cardiac muscle. Absolute refractory period extend throughout contraction period 0.27 second. Relative refractory period extend during first half of relaxation period 0.26 second. Total it is about 0.53 second. Some signification of refractory period in cardiac muscle. Cardiac muscle does not show complete summation of contraction and fatigue and tenderness.